Hello and welcome to another Penguin Palace video. It's Sharon here, and today I want to introduce to you our brand new collection of cardstock, and it is called the Spectrum Collection. We have 11 gorgeous colors, and we also have this awesome Prism Pack which has one of each color inside. You may have noticed that it says Volume 1 on the Prism Pack. And this is because we have more new colors coming in our next release, which I'm really excited about. Each pack of cardstock has 10 sheets inside, with the exception of the Prism Pack in which you get 11 sheets. And these are all heavyweight cardstock, 100-pound and solid core, and they're of great quality and the colors are really beautiful. If you're not sure which color to pick, don't worry because the Prism Pack would be the perfect choice. This pack is a great way to try out our cardstock and see which colors are your favorite. And here are the new colors that we have: White Sand Beach, Fashion Week, Cotton Candy, Pumpkin Field, Citrus Cooler, Apple Green, Vintage Beetle, Electric Blue, Deep Lavender, Navy Blazer, and Hot Fudge. Again, these are all 100-pound heavyweight cardstock that comes in these gorgeous and vibrant colors. I cannot wait to see what you guys create with them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.